Good day, everybody. This is chapter 1 of React. I am the driver of the session, and Linda is the navigator of the session. So, for React, I'm just going to read the definition. Chapter 1 introduction. What is React? So, React is basically a framework that was released by Facebook for creating single-page applications, so SPA or SPA, whatever you want to call it. What is a single-page application? So most web page applications are traditionally server-side applications. The server holds the business logic, stores data, and renders the website to the client. When a client clicks on a link, it sends a request to the server, and the server will handle this request and send back a response with HTML code, which the browser will render and be viewed by the user. So it's basically just a single-page application framework. So now if we have a look at the code, you'll see here it's very simple actually, very minimal. Here is our index, so this would be like our main source code. Here you can see we're importing React and React DOM. We're also importing report web vitals and app, obviously, because this is my app, so it's the name. Here's our report web vitals. So I suppose you could look at most as like a class or a model. Yeah, so here's our CSS. What I found pretty cool is that the logo on the front end rotates. So if I go back one, here,
I
this
actually want to
is,
go through the CSS, hey?
yeah, the CSS is actually pretty cool. This is the CSS, so this is how it's rotating basically. So this is the React symbol, and obviously when you click Learn React, it takes you here. So it's like a pretty cool little web page. As you get up circle, languages, obviously, search bar, library, user interface basically. So yeah, let's see. Obviously you've got your package JSONs. Here's your index HTML. I think it's the only one we actually have, yeah. So it's just your pretty basic one. And obviously this is your like my React app kind of thing. The app test. So yeah, it's pretty simple stuff, not much. Let me just see what else here. So we have our manipulating DOM elements efficiently. Okay, the virtual DOM. Yeah, so there's really not much, but that's what React is basically. Chapter 1 was just an introduction. Anything you'd like to add, Linda?
No, nothing.